Yes, a very good evening to all. Myself, Masarpita, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, in the last class, we have started with chapter number 3 called series applicable for both the exam, that is Sainik as well as RMS. In that, we have learned the definition of series, what is series, what are the types of series. Let me recall once before starting today's session. Yeah, what do you mean by series now? Series is nothing but sequential order. Okay, the sequential order of terms. There will be some condition like 2, 4, 6, 8 question mark like that. So you have to find out the logic for that series and you have to continue that. Okay. And how to find out the question is from particular chapter itself. They will be given with a set of numbers and indicated by question mark. Okay, indicated by question mark. So our work is we have to find out the logic for that particular series first and then we have to continue. Okay, then we have learned with the types. What are the types of number series now? There are two types of series. What are they? The first one is number series, while second one is letter or alphabet series. To solve question answers from number series, we have to learn, what is that? We have to learn square numbers, cube numbers, and basic mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and very important thing, tables. And we have, in the last class, we have solved few problems also. In today's class, let us see what is alphabet series, how to solve alphabet series. I'll give you the example, then we will move on to the next one. Okay, the question and answers. So listen here, what is alphabet series now? See, alphabet series is nothing but they will be given with the alphabet. Hope you all know that there are 26 alphabets. In that, 5 are called as ovals. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are called as ovals. Okay. And the rest are called as consonants. Okay. Stop chatting and listen to me first. The first thing you have to remember that. The very next thing what you have to remember, the positions of English alphabet. What is that position? See, if you are moving from left to right, that is called forward. See, the position of A in forward direction is 1. The position of A in the reverse direction is 26. Vice versa, you have to learn all the 26 alphabets in reverse order as well as your forward direction. If you know this much, it is very easy to solve alphabet series. So student, as I said you before itself, a little bit difficult chapter. Let me solve few more examples of letter series and we'll move on to a question and answer session. See, I want you people to listen to the class carefully. I'll teach you very slowly. Okay. If you have not understood, you have a 2 option. You have a raise hand option and one more chat session. Okay, you can ask that. And when I'm teaching, please don't write. If you're writing, 100% you won't understand. Concentrate on the class. I'll give you 2 minutes of for copying. Doesn't mean that whatever it is on the screen, you have to copy the same thing. Okay. So what you have understood, take down that. The rest all will be uploaded as a notes. So students, let me solve few examples on letter series now. Look at the question. So students, before solving this question, I want to tell you something. The question mark, okay, the question mark, it is not should be at the last or it is not like only one. Okay, it may be 2 question mark in a question, or it may be a 4 question mark in a sentence, whatever. Okay, so how to solve? Whatever you get the question on series, my first step is to take down the question as it is. Okay, what is the question now? J O S question mark X. Okay. So I have taken the question same. See J, O, yes, question mark as indicated by box and X. So students here, J to O. Okay, compare with J to O. Now see here, K, L, M, N, O. You should not count J. Leave it J. K, L, M, N, O. What is that? That is 5 difference. Okay. Next will come to S. O to S. See? T, P, Q, R, S. So 4. 4. What is that? Plus 4. Since you are when to indicate plus, if you are moving from right to left, okay, if you are moving from right to left, then you have to indicate it by plus, okay. And then yes to next one. What is that? T, U, V. Why? Because the series follows the logic 5, 4, 3, 2. So if your answer is correct or not, after we 2 letters, what we will get? We will get W and X. See, X is there. So what is the logic here? The logic is plus 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you understood the problem? Yes, take down now. If you are done with also, not a problem, take down now. Take down now. I hope we saw this in a previous class itself, right? We'll move on to the next one now. Yes, because this one 22. This is the example problem. How it will be 22? It is not classification. This is new chapter, Mohit. Come on. So I move on to the next question. Why? Because this one I have solved in the previous class only. Okay. Now look at the next question. Don't write. Listen to me. If you're writing, definitely you will not understood. Listen to me first. As I told you, in a series, you may get 1 question mark or a 2 question mark. Okay. You may get 1 question mark, 2 question mark. So they have given with 2 question marks here. Okay, how many? They have given with 2 question marks. So N, T, O, C, P, B question mark. So what is my first step now? Listen to me. I'll tell later whether you have to write down this or not. This problem also we have solved. This problem also we have solved this. Yes, we are solved this solved. So okay, next question. Next question. I think this we didn't solve. After this, we'll move on to a QA session. Okay. So next question. See, so far just we were getting only on alphabet. Isn't it, guys? Yes. See, this question we didn't solve. So far we were getting only on alphabets. Listen, only one alphabets. There will be no numbers, right? Now they have given both numbers as well as alphabet. So this particular question, we will call it as alphanumeric. What is that? Alphanumeric. The problem which consists of both alphabets and letters. We will call it as alphanumeric. So students, see here N2, P2, R2, A-T16. What is this? I'll teach you how to do this. See, very first step is to take down all letters one side. Okay, N, P, okay, R, T. Take down all letters one side. Okay, and question mark and numbers on down. Okay, on number on one side. Okay, not an issue, Ardik. Quite no. So next one, see here, next only numbers 2, 4, okay, 8, 16, and then question mark. Now, how to find out this? Listen to me carefully. N to P. Just do it the first line. N to P. What is the difference? OP, that is plus 2 because I am moving from right to left. So it is plus 2. Okay. And then P to R. Yes, T. So it is also plus 2. And then R, yes, T. So it is also plus 2. 1 minute. Am I audible? Okay, so the next one is, what is that next one now? 1 minute, 1 minute. No, quiet for a minute. It happens. For you also it happens, right? Wait for a minute. So, what we are doing that? So what is the answer? What is the answer for that now? So it is, yes, V32. Everyone understood that? Everyone understood that? You want me to teach again? You have to write. You have to write. Okay. We'll display. One minute, I'll display. Yes, now can you able to see the screen? I hope, yes. Okay, yes, take down. Okay, 1 minute, I'll teach you. Disha and others, 1 minute, I'll teach you. Wait. So this one we have started. No. So listen to me. What is my first step? My first step is take down the question as it is. Isn't it? The all numeric one side and then all this one side. So let me do that properly. So all numbers one side. So listen here. N, P, 2, R, like that. First take down only the alphabets, that is N, P, T, R. So N plus 2, O, P, we will get P. If I add P plus 2, I'll get R. R plus T, I'll get 2. So what is the logic? I have to add 2. So T plus 2, U, V. So it is V. So alphabet I got it as V. We'll come to the numbers. 2 should become 4. What is that? See, if I add plus 2, yes, it becomes 4. In the same way, if I add plus 2, it will become 6. So I should not go with addition. So 2 into 2 is equals to 4. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Is there in my option? Yes, that is with 32. So the combination of your addition and multiplication of two series, two multiples. Did you understand this problem, everyone? Everyone? Is there any doubts? Yeah, I taught you again. Yes, copy it first. This completes your theory session on series. Now we'll solve with a QA session. Okay, question and answer session. Listen, now it's proper. Yeah, Sami, that is what I said. Number series we have previously I have done with the number series, and right today I have done with the letter series. This is not a type. Okay, alphanumeric, it is not a type. It is, you will get this. Okay, alphanumeric, it is not type now. It is come in alphabetic only. Yes, copy down fast. We'll solve a question and answers on this now. My voice is breaking. I think it's proper. Your internet is not stable, Lolo. Karunya should be a regular to the class. If you miss the intelligent session, see if you miss English, you can read. If you miss GK, you can read. But if you miss mathematics and intelligent tasks, you can't read actually. It is very, very difficult to understand. Please, I request you, don't miss, okay? If emergency, you can, okay? If you are not completed, please take a screenshot of it. Shall I stop share this? Everyone, we'll move on to a QA session on series now. It's all more questions, okay? Yes, I'm stop sharing. Okay, so students, so far we have solved with a theory session. Okay, so for what we have solved with theory session. What we have learned there, we have learned what is series, what are the types of series, and few example on that. So let me continue with QA session. That is question and answer session. Now only I'll do with the question and answer session. See, I'll teach you very slowly. Please concentrate on the class. This is very, very, very difficult chapter for you. But if you understand now, you will tell that, ma'am, it is like game. So understand properly. When I'm teaching, please don't write. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. In that 2 minutes also, you can't write. Please take a screenshot of it. Till tomorrow you have a time, you can write it in your books. Okay. So student, and keep in mind, whatever it is on the screen, you should not like a bookworms to copycat, like copy each and every line. Whatever the answer, you can copy. So students, are you all ready to solve now? So as I told you, how they will give you the QA question. Now you all saw the example. They will give you series and they will be indicated by question mark. So it understood that we have to find that question mark. So let me see. Now you all know that. So let me see the first question. So students, listen to me. Question number 1. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Next what? See, very easy. See, 1, 2 is there. 2, 2 is there. 3, 2 is there. 4, 2 is there. So I have to try with 5, 2. That's all. See, this type question also you will get in your exam. Yes, copy down first. Copy down everyone. Meanwhile, I'll mark your attendance. Copy down. Easy. Yes, copy down first. Okay. Now you feel Arpita will teach nice. You from mathematical operation you got. Like, see, yesterday Pushpa ma'am taught you Vibod mass rule. Do you remember that? What Pushpa ma'am taught yesterday? That is what Vibod mass rule we saw in the first class. Aditya Prakash. Aditya Prakash. Is Aditya Prakash is there in the session? Is there? Abhiram. Next, Amova. Copy down first. Bhumika. Who is that raised your hand? Abhiram. Abhiram, Lohit, you have a doubt? If you have only doubt only, you have to raise your hand. You have your doubt? If you have your doubt, you have to raise your hand. Attendance, I'll mark. No need to worry. Copy down first. Everyone. Bhumika. Bhumika. She's not there. Ashit is there. Lakshmi. Karunya is there. Rochan. Finished. 1 minute. Rochan is there. Sai Prajwal. Sai Prajwal is there. Spooty. Taresh is there. So we'll move on to the next question. I'll mark next. Okay. See, yes. Overall present. No, I'll see here and I'll mark. I am left with some more names. I'll mark. Don't worry. Hope you all understood this problem. I'll move on to the next one now. Listen to me. Listen to me. The next question is 3, 7, 13, 21. So students, I told you what is my first step. As soon as seeing the question, my first step is to take down the question as it is. Okay, take down the question as it is. Now I'll take down. So 3 to 7. 3 should become 7. How much I should add? Say leave it 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. I should add 4 numbers. 3 should become 4. So I should add 3 numbers. Now 7 should become 13. How much I should add? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much I have added? I added 6. Next 13 should become 21. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How much I have added? 8 I have added. So next one. See how I should know that I should add 10 only. Look at this. What is this? 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. Do you remember? 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. You may ask now, ma'am, how I'll come to know that 8 after I should add 10 only? This understood that I should add even numbers. 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number, even 8 is a even number. So your mind should think that what is the next even number? If I add next even number, do I get my answer? Yes, that is 31. Therefore, option A is your answer. This is what about your intelligent test. You are giving a question or you are giving a work or you are giving a test to your brain. Did you understood the problem? If you understood, it is easy, or otherwise it is difficult. Okay. Copy it fast. I'll mark rest all attendance now. If you have any doubt, let me know. Abhishek. Who is overall present? I'll mark. Don't worry. And Aditya. Aditya, Aniket, Anjuta, Chitesh is there. Chirai is there. Dhruti is there. Ishant. Okay, Aditya Prakash, you have a doubt? Aditya Prakash, if you have no need to, it is not diagram. Yes, if you want, you can write. 2 minutes you have to write. Dishant, absent. Ardik is present. Adarsh, if you have doubt only, you have to raise your hand. And don't use that thumbs up in that chat session. Tell okay in this one. Adarsh is there. Mohit is there. Kartik. Kartik. And then Pushwant. Pushwant is not there today. Kushal is there. Lalit. 1 minute. Somebody raised your hand. Karunya. Pushwant is there. Pushwant, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am, you said I'm absent now.
Yeah. Yes, Karunya.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have a doubt, ma'am. In the second question, when you did not thought it is even number, I thought that after 4, 1, you left 5 and you put 6, and after 6 you left 7 and put 8. After 8, 9, like that I thought, ma'am.
Instead of doing that, it is a waste of time, no? Huh? It is waste of time, no? Karunya. That is why I have thought even numbers. Okay. Lohit. Pooja Purva. Listen. Pritam is the Rochan is the Sanvi is the Sairam is the Shreyas is the Sujit is the Surav is the Swarali. Karunya, again you have a doubt, Karunya.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I forgot to.
Swarali is not there. Yatin Supri, good. Rest all the both are present. Yes, we'll move on to the next one now. Copied. Yes. So, listen to my next problem now. So, see here, it is very difficult for you. I'll give a time for copying. I'll teach you very slowly. Okay, listen to me now. Okay, so 100, 50, 52, 26, 28, question mark. Okay, so how to solve this? These are my options 18, 16, 14 and all. So students, listen to me. My first question, my first step is take down the question as it is. So if I add 50, listen to me now, I'll do with all arithmetic operation. If 100 should become 50, okay, so I should minus 50. Okay, see the same 50 if I minus for 26, here I can minus, no. What shall I do now? What shall I do? So I have one option. Listen to me. 100 should become 50. How much I should do now? See, 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2. See, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 0 and take down 0, so 0 will be answer. So it is divided by 2. So if I divide 100 divided by 2, I will get the answer 50. Now 50 should become 52. I'll add plus 2. So 50 has become 52. Now 26. What is the 26 now? Not take this 52. Okay, 52, no, 52 divided by 2. Divided by 2. What is the answer you will get? 2 2s are 4. One reminder, and then 12. How many 6 are 12? 2 6 are 12. So, if I divide 52 by 2, I will get the answer 26. 26 plus 2, 28. Now, this answer, 28 divided by 2. Okay, 28 divided by 2. What is the answer? 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 0 reminder. Take 8 this one. Okay, 8. What is 8 now? 2 4s are 8. Is there any option 14 answer? Yes, that is option D. This particular follows divide and then plus. This particular follows, question follows division, addition. Division, addition. Okay, I'll teach you again. Kindly raise down your hand and concentrate on the class. This much slow, no one will teach you. I'll teach you again. 1 minute, every problem I'll teach you twice. Wait for a moment. Okay. So, listen to me. Yes, if you are concentrating on the class, you will understand. Otherwise, definitely you will not understand. And keep in mind, always raising option, it understood that you are not understanding on the class. If you are raising, it's fine. But you have to concentrate. So, as I told you, what is my first step? My first step is take down the question as it is. Now, keep in mind, see students, one logic in series, If I started with a 2, the next multiplication division, it should be 2 only. Okay. If I started with 50, next should be 50 only. The series must continue with the 50. See, if I divide, 100 should become 50. If I add, it will become no. If I multiply, it will become no. Only I have two options. One I have to minus and then one I have to divide. This understood to your. Why? Because you should know the basic mathematics. Nanatra, if I have 100 chocolates, it should become 50. So what I should do? I should take off some 50 chocolate or I should divide that. This is why I have told you to learn basic mathematics. Now see, 100 should become 50. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to do minus 50. Okay. If I do minus 50, you will get the answer. So in the same way, if I do 26, 52 and then this one, can I get that answer? If I do minus 50, we will get by 28 the answer. No. And keep in mind, one rule is there. If you start with 50, you have to continue with 50 only. If you start with 2, you have to continue with 2. Only in while subtracting and dividing that problem. Keep in mind, sign should be as it is. Sign should be as it is. Now see, I can't do. So what I have to do now? Listen to me, I'll do this. So now 100 should become 50. So I'll divide. So 100, okay, 100 divided by 2. Why I have to start with 2? Because the first number is 2. I can't divide with 1. Whatever I have divide 1, I'll get the same answer. So 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. So what is the remainder? Here 0. If I take 0, it will be 0 0 0 0. So it is 50. If I divide 100 by 50, I should get 50 as the answer. Did I got here? See, even I got 50 here. If I got 50. Now 50 should become 52. You all know that if anything is low, if I add that, it will come. So how much I should add now? So I should add plus 2. So 50 should become 52. So I should add plus 2. Now take 52. Take 52 divided by 2. So that you should get the answer 26. So 52 divided by 2. Okay. See, you should get the answer 26. Let me check that. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. And then 2 2s are 4. One reminder. And we'll take 12. Okay. 2 6 are 12. I got 26. So 26 should become 28. How much I should add? I should add plus 2. See, division, addition. Division, addition. Next I have to do with division. 28 divided by 2. 14 2s are 28. 14. Is there any option? Yes, option D is your answer. Is there any doubts? Did you understood now? Yes, understood. See, try it in your book. Don't write whatever it is on the screen. Do it in your book. Ma'am, we should, how, Sanvi, that is the logic, Sanvi. See, Sanvi, if I give you 100 chocolate, okay, listen, Sanvi, you told no. If I give you 100 chocolate, it should become 50. One you have to do, you have to take out 50 chocolate, then it will become 50. Or you should give somebody. So then it will become 50. So what is my rule here? If I started with 50, I should do the whole series with 50 only. So I can't do. Then what I have to do? It understood. That is why we will call it as intelligent test. Did you understood? See, I'll give you 5 minutes. Divide and get the answer first. I'll chuck your notes now. I see, well, taking your intelligent test, no? If it is classwork, see, somewhat it is a classwork, no? To the left corner of the classwork, write one line. We will call it as working column. I want all working should be there. It is not like whatever it is on the screen copying. No, it is called as working column. See, I told you, 2 divided by 50. You have to put on it 2 divided by. You should be smart enough in basic mathematics. Then only you can solve intelligent test. Students, intelligent is a combination of your intelligent as well as your mathematics. Keep in mind, you have to be in first in basic mathematics. Pritam, washroom, water, have it. Sainik, now you will understand today. If you open after a few days, it will obviously you will forget that. That is human tendency, madam. Now you can write in front of option. Tomorrow you will remember. If you open day after tomorrow, what I have written this, definitely you will. Okay. We'll move on to the next one now. Mohit, very good. We'll move on to the next one. Next problem, still writing. Make sure that you should not take more than 5 minutes. See, I want everyone to wear or badappa. I mean, if you keep on sitting that, looking so that one. See what? No. After session ends, I hope everyone will solve what we did again in the class. If you write that, if you do that only, you are able to select for your Sainik exam. After each class, you should throw your book. You should go for playing, eat, sleep, TV, cartoons. Then you will not select for Sainik exam. Okay. See, what you people do, I know. You'll throw your book after the class, you'll go for playing, and you open your book at next intelligent class only. I know some people will do that. See, if you have a dream that you have to select for Sainik school, you have to study properly. Okay, this is not so easy to select, isn't it? Whole India will write. So, listen to me. I'll tell you one thing. Daily you will practice, no? After the class. I hope you will practice. When practice, wear a watch. Okay, wear a watch and see how much time you will require time for solving each problem. That if you after you got a logic, okay, after you got a logic and see how much you will take. You should not take more than 5 minutes. That is what the trick is. That is what the time management is. I want you people, I'll call your parents. I'll ask now from today, who are they? Zip up your mouth now. I saw. That is how many times I said that. Only one time you should tell. Yes, well and good. So I saw your marks in the test. It is good. Okay. So I'll ask your parents. I want everyone, whatever we did today. See, after my class ends, take 1 hour break, whatever it is, how much you want. I want you people to solve. Now you have got a logic. No, wear a watch and see. If you're not taking more than 5 minutes, then it understood that you are eligible for Sainik school. Otherwise, go for 6th standard. Alva. Yes or no? Time management is very, very, very important, students. See, if we didn't do in what even though I have no the answer, I know. See, somebody knows all know all the answer, but you are not able to. So that is not Apita ma'am to wait you. They'll grab your paper like anything. See, after that time over, no. What they'll do, they'll take off your paper. If you tell that, ma'am, ma'am, please. No, they won't wait for you. That cruel paper. It's not cruel. That is what time management. Each and everyone should know the time management. Okay, that is what you have to keep a watch. Okay, see, in 1.5 hours, you need to write whole mathematics, intelligent test, English, everything you have to write within 3 hours. It's very difficult, you know. So time management is very, very important. Students, keep in mind, you know all the answer. You are taking half an hour to solve one problem. What is the use of it? No, it's a waste of time. That is what you have to be quick. Okay, so they grab you. Like today I'm telling you, definitely they won't be. If you request also, if you cry also, they won't wait for your paper. They grab your paper like anything. So that is what you have to maintain a time management. We'll move to the next one now. Okay, hope you all understood this. We'll move on to the next one. Listen to me, don't write. I have given enough time to write already. So next question is 4, 9, 20, 43 question mark. And take down the question as it is. Listen to me now. So students, listen here. Little bit difficult. So see here. This is binary operation. What do you mean by binary operation? No, performing 2 operations in a single problem. What is mean by binary operation? Binary operation is nothing but performing 2 operation. Not operation means heart operation, brain operation. Operation is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication. That we will call it as operation. So till now we are doing last problem also we did 2. Okay, so listen now. 4 should become 9. What I should add? I should add 5. So if I add same 5, it will become 20. It will become 20. No. So I can't go with the addition. So we'll go with the subtraction. Obviously, we can't go with a subtraction. Why? It is a basic thing that we have to higher value and then minus the lower value. We'll go with the division. So 4 and 9, what we can divide? We can't divide. So only one option, multiplication. So students will start with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Listen here. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 9. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 9. 9 2s are 18 or 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 2 will be 20. 20. 22s are 22s are 2 20s are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 40 plus 43 into 2. What is the answer? 43 into 2. What is the answer? 43. 43 into 2. What is the answer now? 86. 86 plus 4. You may ask now, ma'am, why should I add 1, 2, 3 only? 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuous series. I'll teach you again. Listen to me now. I'll teach you again. I know many of you didn't understood. Listen to me now. 4. Okay. See. 4 into 2. Why I have to start with 2? Because the starting table is 2 only. If I multiply any number with 1, the number itself. So 4 into 2. What is the answer? 4 2s are 8. 8, yeah. How much I should add to become a 9? One number. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Now, 2 number I have to multiply. So 9 into 2. 9 into 2 is 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2 will be 20. 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, next one. 20 plus 2, 20 into 2, 20, 22 za. It is 40. 40 plus 3 will be 43. 43 into 2, how much it is? 86. 86 plus 4, 90. Tricky, no? If you practice and if you understand this, it is not so tricky. But if you didn't understand the concept, it is very, very tricky. Hope you all understood this. If you have any doubts, let me know. Is there any doubts? Everyone? Easy if you understood. That is why I request everyone, madam, please solve this first, ma'am. I request everyone after session end, if you throw your book and you will take out the next intelligent class, definitely you will not score a good marks. Daily what we did know, you have to practice. See, when they give the question paper, you have to check with all methods. One day Samuel, somebody asked me, ma'am, how come we know that we have to apply the logic? See, we don't know. Even me, if they give the question, ma'am, even though being a teacher, even I have to check with all the methods. Your brain should be like this. See, one method, two method, three. First, they give the question paper. You have to check even number, odd number. No, it's not working. Come to the odd number. It is working. No, go with addition. Go with the subtraction. Like that, your brain should work like a robot. Then only. So what you have to do? You have to practice, practice, practice. Where it says that no, practice makes man perfect. Otherwise nothing. Your dreams all will be dream only. If you want to fulfill your dream, practice. Otherwise, you'll go to the 6th standard. That's all. Nothing. You won't go to Sainik school. You'll go to 6th standard. Take down now. Take down. We have still more problems. We'll do it in the next class. Okay.